You are already intuitive. It is only a matter of noticing in a different, more subtle way. This book provides a complete training experience to become a medical intuitive. Each chapter advances you step by step to intensify your intuitive skills to assist others. A medical background is not necessary to excel as a medical intuitive. When you have completed this course contained in this book, you have learned the steps to develop X-ray-like perception. The medical intuitive's life is feeling, sensing, knowing, and perceiving on multiple levels with all of your senses. Become a medical intuitive. Available now.